I have become a lot more proficient after I learned data trees in. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the exact same steps that I took to learn data trees so that you can learn them to use on your day-to-day practice. Data trees are extremely important in Grasshopper, and when you learn them, you gain a lot more control in your script, but more importantly, in your approach to parametric modeling and computational design. In Grasshopper, every data or all the data, either geometric or not, are structured in data trees. You can access them through their branches, select them by their paths, or you can access them through their items or select them by the item index. So let's take a look at what we have. As you see, I do have four surfaces here that are defined, and they are divided into points. They are divided into 2 points in U and 3 points in V directions. Therefore, we see 3 points in U and 4 points in V directions. The first thing that I want to show you when you have a setup is you want to see first the data output. So we see that there are dashed lines, meaning we have different lists, different data structures within these lists. So if you click and grab a param which can be accessed through params and URL and under Param Viewer, you get this guy. What this shows, basically this is your surface input, and our first surface, second surface, third surface, and fourth surface. Each surface is divided into 3 branches. These branches are the U count. Okay, so we have 3 different inputs here because we divide U count 2, right? And if I right click to this and preview this one, I started to see some values, and these values are basically 0, 0, 0, and in special parentheses 0, and we have the same thing until this guy. This means 0, 0 is the surface name and 2 is the column. 1, 0 is the surface name, 2, 0 is the surface name, and 3, 0 is the surface name here. Okay? So this is basically, so if you zoom in, 0, 0 means this, 0, 1 means this, and 0, 2 means this, and so forth. But how do we extract those? But before we go into that, if we connect a point list to this, and when I preview this on, preview this off, what I started to see is I see the point list, but the point list is being previewed as 0, 1, 2, 3 all over the place. They are showing me the points in columns for V count. Okay, this is the U count and this is the V count. So I have columns of information that are coded as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? These are for the columns only. But if I preview this back on, I started to see there also raw information. So the column information and the raw information with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, right? So let's say I wanted to select this. In order to be able to select those, I need to use a component called 3item. And in order to work with 3item, we have to provide the data tree first, which is my. Then I need to construct the path that I want to select this item. So my item is in 0, 1, 1 path. So I need to put 0, 1, 1, and then my item is coded as the item 2. So I need to put this 2, and when I preview this, I see that my point is selected. Obviously, it's overlapping with this name tag, so I can show you this with a small visualization by creating a line through Z direction of one white sphere here. So if we want to select, let's say this one, what I need to do is I need to go to its path. So path is 0, 3, not select 3, so I just maximum is 3, and you see the path is correct, but the value or the item is 2. However, my item needs to be 0. All right. So amongst these 4 surfaces, and if you divide them all, you can select them by using the 3item component, but you need to provide path and index so that you can extract that singular value you want to work a little more or a little more sophisticated. By the way, this file, this Grasshopper file and Rhino file is accessible for free. It's my gift to you in my school community. Click the link in the description and join my school community for free. But if we want to deal with not only a single item, but maybe the entire path, how do we extract those paths? So for that, we just go and use a tree branch component. And tree branch component, what it does, it gives you the branch instead of a single value. So we can select the column in this case. And you see, when we have all these names coded or labeled on each column, it's easy to select. So if I want to select this, what I need to do is 002 is my branch. So if I put this 02, I select extract this guy. And you can do this if you want to select this. So I can do 02 and 1 and select this guy. So by the way, when you zoom out, you see these colors are changing. It's definitely coming from the Param Viewer component. I'm not doing any color information. And by using tree branch, you can select or extract the columns or rows, or in short, branches you want to work with further. If you are serious in learning Grasshopper, I do have 5 spots open to work with me one-on-one. This will be a great opportunity for you to take your Grasshopper game and elevate it. And if you're curious, book a call with me with the link in the description. I'll be happy to chat and see if I can be helpful. So data trees, if I go back to this, are really, really important in Grasshopper because of 3 reasons. First, it will give you a lot more control in your Grasshopper. Second, it will enhance your approach to computational design and parametric modeling. Again, remember you are a conductor, not an operator in Grasshopper. And third, maybe the most important one, it will help you to choose and work through the things that you need to work most. Okay, instead of working out everything, you can zoom into a particular system, particular point, particular geometry, and kind of elaborate, sophisticate that thing more and more. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.